Hi there, this is Brad the Kitchen Guy, bradthekitchenguy.com, at Brad's Home Center. Today we are going to finally deep fry our turkey. People don't know how much of this oil you got to add to the turkey fryer. Now this is the Butterball non-XL, okay? The new model is XL, it costs $300. I've had this one for about 5 years. It works perfectly. But in order for it to work perfectly, we got to put the turkey in, then add the oil on top, take the turkey back out, heat the oil and drop it back in. Otherwise, you don't know how much oil to put in, whether cover the bird or overflow the top. The last thing you want is that hot oil to come over the top of that, burn your little hands and feet or catch on fire. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our turkey, because all turkeys are different sizes, aren't they? Put it in our little pan. Drop her down. Now we're using corn oil today, because we have a friend who's allergic to peanut oil, even though it tastes better. This one, everybody works. Now the key is, oh my golly gosh, to cover the bird. That's the maximum mark, that's the minimum mark. We are covered our bird. We are good to go. Now we're gonna just take that bird back out, dump her back into our seasoning until it warms up all the way. Now it takes about an hour for that oil to heat up. We'll be back in about an hour. Thank you. We are going to finally deep fry our turkey. Now all of you who looked at our previous video saw how we measured the oil in our deep fat fryer. You put the turkey in, then you put the oil on top. Then take the turkey back out. Now, in this Butterball deep fat turkey fryer, it takes about an hour to warm out that oil. You want it 325, 350 degrees. You get the nice crispy skin and the good bird. Now it takes about 3 minutes a pound. We have about a 16-pound bird right here. Now I'm going to take that bird, we're going to put it over in here. We're going to drain as much moisture off as we can. And you go, well, why do we want to drain the moisture off? Oil and water don't mix, and water versus with 350 degree oil goes splatter, splatter, bang, and you've all seen those videos on YouTube, haven't you? It makes that big fire. They call it the fire department. You never get to eat your Christmas turkey or your Thanksgiving turkey. We want you to have a good turkey. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to start the process. We're going to take the bird out of the brine, and we're going to dry her off a little bit. Then we're going to drop her into our hot oil. Then we're going to watch it cook for about 45 minutes. All of you out there who have cooked birds before, we're going to talk about turkey breast and turkey leg. Turkey breast is wonderful at 165 degrees, because that's when salmonella all dies. Turkey legs need to be 185 degrees to be moist, tender, and juicy and kill all that salmonella too. So, do you overcook your breast or undercook your leg? We'll be addressing that in our next video. But for this one, we're going to pop her in. We're going to check that breast at 165 degrees. We're going to put her off and rest it. And it will be moist, tender, and juicy. If you bring up that breast 185, you've got cardboard and sawdust. We want you to have a moist, tasty turkey. So here we go. First thing you do is glove up. These came with the Butterball turkey fryer, and there's a reason they came with, right? Use all of your safety devices when available. There she is. Notice she's gotten a little more yellow. That's the turmeric. And we're going to put it over in here and let her drain for a minute. We want all that moisture to come out of that bird and not to be moved into the fryer. Going to take a couple of paper towels and pat her down, because you all been told water and oil don't mix, and hot water and oil don't mix. Now they gave us this nice little clamp. Fits right here. Now, this is the one, Butterball non-XL. So if it fits in here, it'll fit in there. I'm going to step up on my little step stool. Hi, everybody. Raise her up. Let her drip. And slowly lower down. See how smooth that was? That turkey is going. In about 30 minutes, that's going to be a good bird ready to eat. Now we've got our instant read thermometer. We're going to take it out and poke it in the breast, see what temperature it is. Now that oil was about 340 degrees when I dropped her in. She has dropped down to 260 degrees, but she's coming back up. And then we're going to close the lid and let her cook. Little dinger is dong, and we're going to take this out and see how cooked she is. I'm going to step on my little step stool so I can be taller because I'm just a short guy. I'm going to remember not to stick my hands in, use the handy dandy claw. Raise her up, put her over, let her drain. Now that looks really done. Doesn't that look done to you? Let's take a leg check. 114, 157, 174, 182. So we let her drip off here. Let her drain. We're going to take her. Oh, look at that. Just falling apart goodness. Oh my God. She ain't going to make it.